Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be about the tools you need if you are a beginner in Copperplate Calligraphy. I got them from Amazon and you can find the link to all the tools in the description below. So let's start today's video. The first tool that you need is a good quality paper, and I would recommend Rhodia paper, which has a super smooth paper quality and comes in dot, lines and grid patterns. You can choose the patterns according to your choice. I got it for 359 rupees. The second tool is the nib. There are a lot of good quality nibs available out there in the market, but I would personally prefer Nico G nib, Zebra G nib, and Principal EF nib. I personally use Nico G nib. It's not too much expensive and it's also beginner friendly. You can get it at a fairly good price. I got it for 125 rupees. The third tool that you need is an oblique holder. It is the most important tool in calligraphy. The best oblique holder in a very affordable price is this Speedball Black plastic holder. It is great for lefties and righties. You can change the direction of the name according to if you are a righty or a lefty. And I got it for 155 rupees. And if you wanna go for some better alternatives, you can go for Isomers oblique holder. It is also affordable. It comes for it's now 149 rupees. So the fourth tool that you need is the ink. So I use Black Sumi ink and trust me, it's the best. It's a little expensive, but the quality is amazing. I got it for 510. So these are the tools you must have. If you are a beginner in Copperplate Calligraphy, you can find the links to all these tools in the description below. That's it for today's video. See you soon with another